Ball goes to selection. Number 01, short na ako ni jersey number. Jersey number 4 ng Sitio Bacolod. Jersey number 4, Narciso. Dire-diretso pa si jersey number 2. 1-1. Top jumpers na good na kay jersey number 33. Outlet pass para kay jersey number 12. Number 12, masyadong malakas. Number 21, no good. Nagani jersey number 0. Number 0. Number 0, naghahanggang ba sa 10 seconds to shoot. Number 21, bounce.
Ayun, over the back yung bola natin. Napunta sa kabila. Paano kaya?
Siya yun, nakapula kay Artist Adventure. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe sa kanyang page.
Ayun, oh. Model ko pala sa drawing to. Shout out po.
Iya? Oh, iniwan niya ako kumala. Salamat sa'yo, Bunso.
Tap. Oh.
Back to the ball game. 7 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 4, short number, jersey number 21, good for 2. Better jersey number 21. Jersey number 12 was set. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 11, short now on the jersey number 18. That's the jersey number 4. Number 4, Narciso. Number 4, pass the jersey number 10. Pass the jersey number 21. Back to jersey number 16. No good. Jersey number 21, the pass jersey number 16, wala pa rin na Ronnie. Jersey number 21, blower, no good. Nako, jersey number 0. Pull up jumper, masyado malakas ako, jersey number 13. Pass jersey number 1, nangyari pass jersey number 12. Good for 2 para kay jersey number 12.
Joby. Si Joby.
Number 21, 15 seconds to shoot. He's saved by jersey number 1. Now game 1, pass jersey number 2, nangyari. Number 2, pass jersey number 11. Back to jersey number 2. Number 2 takes 3. Now me, out of bounds. Bola babalik sa Bacolod. Jersey number 11. Number 11. Pass to jersey number 21. Back to jersey number 11. Fakes. Number 11. Masyadong malakas na Ronnie. Jersey number 33. Pass to jersey number 12. Number 12. Number 32. Better jersey. Number 12. Jersey number 4. Number 4 harassing the by jersey number 11. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 11 is still the jersey number. Is still the jersey number 33. Pass jersey number 2. Jersey number 12. What a pass para jersey number 11. Good for 2 para jersey number 11. Number 21 behind his back. 15 seconds to shoot. Goes over, blocked by jersey number 1. Out of bounds. Bola lang Bacolod. 6 minutes and 26 seconds left. 6 minutes and 26. Number. No good. Nako ni jersey number 1. Number 1 pass jersey number 2. Number 2 Malari derecho Israel para kay jersey number 2. Jersey number 11, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to jersey number 4. Number 4 hesitates. Pass to jersey number 21. Back to jersey number 4. No good. Now jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 12. Number 12. Pass to jersey number 11. Nakakawa ng foul. Foul jersey number 11. my God. Number 2, Key. Jersey number 11. Number 11, the just side step, go for jersey number 11. Pass para kay jersey number 2, hindi na sa lawang bola. 15 seconds to shoot, number 18. Pass to jersey number 11, Libre, go for 2. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 33. No good. Nakakuha ni jersey number 18. Outlet pass para kay jersey number 0. Number 0, Derecho, good for 2. Number 11. Number 11, Fuller na yung nakakuha ni jersey number 1. Good for 2. Para kay jersey number 1. 15 seconds to shoot, exactly 4 minutes to play. Number 4, short number jersey number 21, passing jersey. No good, jersey number 21 pa rin. Number 11, passing jersey number 2, and number 18. Good for 2. Number 2, first number 2, Kiwi.
Idol.
3 minutes and 30 seconds left. Number 11. Number 11, black by jersey number 1. Number 11. Number 11, Retro Laser of number 2, para jersey number 11. Exactly 3 minutes to play, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 4, 3. Just still by jersey number 4. Number 11. Masyadong malakas ang pasahan na ako ng jersey number 4. Number 4, fix. Number 4. No good na jersey number 1. Pass jersey number 2. Number 2, Magliari. This is for 3. Number 2, masyadong malakas ang pera na ako ng jersey number 11. Easy lang daw. Pass jersey number 33. Alley-oop pass. No. Good for 2. Para jersey number 2. Number 21, day up, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 21, 10 seconds to shoot. Ball up, jumper, good for 2. What do I do? Number 21. Exactly 2 minutes to play. Number 2. Number 2, number 4. Ano yan? Basket count? Basket count para kay jersey number 2. Substitution. Bus yung free bus. Who's power red? 0. First person foul, second team foul ng Bacoor. Bonus shot is no good na jersey number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 11, short na jersey number 1. Good for 2. Hello, jersey number 1. Aggressive by jersey number 11. Basket out there. Para jersey number 11. Foul jersey number 01. Bonus shot para jersey number 11. Bonus shot is no good na Wani. Jersey number 33 naman jersey number 0. Masyadong malakas ang tira. 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Number 2, short now jersey number 2, 1-1. Number 21, stop and pop. No good, Nagoni. Jersey number 33. Passing jersey number 12, number 12, number 12, passing jersey number 1, number 1, masyadong malakas na jersey number 11. Give or 2 para jersey number 11. 50 seconds left. 45 seconds left. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 21. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 21. Pull-up jumper is good. 30 seconds left. Pistol by jersey number 11. Number 11. Basket. Good for 2. Para jersey number 11. 20 seconds left. 15. 10. Good for 2. Para jersey number 11. 5 seconds left. And of the first quarter. Official score 21-18. Namigay na silly jersey number 13. Pinigay kay jersey number 7. Kapapasok lang. Good for 2 para jersey number 7. Hindi sekitar ya. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Bola ba? Balik sa kabila. Selection ball. Number 7. Nakabalik ko si number 2. Hindi nga lang pumasok. Number 5 nagkakadali. Floater na jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 4. Number 4. Jersey up short. Jersey number 4. Number 4. Out of bounds. Same goal. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 4, Felix, pass to jersey number. Pass to jersey number 9. He's still by jersey number 7. Out of pass para kay jersey number 2. Number 2! Hindi nga lang pumasok ang salampak. Titigan pa, ha? Number 2, nag-in na kay jersey number 4. Now we pass to jersey number 13. Plays it up. Go for 2. Para kay jersey number 13. Number 1. Pass to jersey number 2. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to jersey. Nagin na kay jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 07. Number 07. Pass to jersey number 4. Naman ang bola babalik sa bakod. Number 21, Diaz crossover. Number 21, pass to jersey number 1, pass to jersey number 4, Felix. Number 4, pass to jersey number 1, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 21, pull up jumper floater. Naman ang jersey number 7. Ito na kaya, number 2. Slam it down by jersey number 2. Dinalawang kamay na. Baka sumablay doon ulit. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 4, quick trigger, number 4. 3. Number 2, Felix. Number 2, floater. Easy 4 points para kay jersey number 2. Reserve time out po ang Baco. 15 seconds. Still by jersey number 13. Number 07. Time. Back off. Oras po natin 6 minutes and 18 seconds left. 6 minutes and 18 seconds left. Back to the ball game. Jersey number 1. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 1, masyadong malakas ang tira na ako ni jersey number 13. Foul. Post ball grab jersey number 13. Now, selection. Number 1, pass to jersey number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 11 behind his back, pass to jersey number 5. Masyadong malakas ang tira. Nagawa jersey number 7. Number 7, pinasa. Out of bounds. Pass to jersey number. Nakakuha ni jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 7. Number 7. Nakakuha jersey number 13. Number 4. 3. Five minutes left. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 11, nakakuha ng foul. Foul jersey number 07. First personal foul, second team foul. 10 seconds to shoot, out of bounds, same ball. Ten seconds to shoot. Number 4, short, now on jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 2. Number 2, step back, jumper na go, Taroni. Jersey number 11. Number 11, nawala ang bola. Ako pa rin niya, number 11. Number 11, pass to jersey number 5, 15 seconds to shoot. He's still by jersey number 2. Number 2, langsung yan para kay jersey number 2. Number 11, red shot na wali, out of bounds. Ball and down selection. Jersey number 7, masyadong malakas ang tasa. Wala pa, hindi, naibigay na. Kung ako pwede ka, kung nagsasanda yun, time out. Number 1, short na Ronnie. Jersey number 2. Number pa rin ako, jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 4. Number 4, good for 2. Exactly 3 minutes left. Sabi pa ganun. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number goes to number 13. Plus, sa kanya pa rin. Number 2. Number 2 floater. Good for 2. Para jersey. Number 2.
Wala na. Dito sa ano, pwesto 1.
Substitution, pasang logo.
Idol!
Kalahati mo yun. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 4, Nagod jersey number. Number 5, Nagod Bagan. 1 minute and 56 seconds left. Foul jersey number 13. Second personal foul, 13 foul. First ready, jersey number 5 is good. Second try is good. Number 28. Number 28, only got pass jersey number 4. Pass jersey number 7. Pull up jumper, number jersey number 13. Good for 2, para jersey number 13. Dalawa. Number 4. Pass jersey number 2, good for 2, para jersey number 28. Number 0, Patay. Number 13, good for 2, para jersey number 13. Exactly 1 minute to play. Number 4, masyadong malakas ang tira na jersey number 5, malakas pa rin, ako pa rin niya. Number 5 pa rin, wala pa rin, ako jersey number 7. 40 seconds left, number 2, ready. Good for 2, the baby giant. 30 seconds left, nakakuha ng foul. Substitution, foul jersey number 7. First personal foul, warning for penalty, first try is no good. 30 seconds left. 1 round of 2, para kay jersey number 21. Number 20, short, 20 seconds left. 15 seconds left. We go to para jersey number 31. 10 seconds left. 5. And the second quarter.